Lesson 16.6 Reasoning. I can understand the relationship between numbers to simplify and solve problems involving perimeter. I can also solve perimeter problems. Suppose you want to cut a piece of webbing to make a strap to wrap around your math book. Measure the width and height of your book, then use those dimensions to find a possible length for the strap. Be sure to include extra webbing for a buckle. Use reasoning to decide. Thinking habits. Be a good thinker. These questions can help you. What do the numbers and symbols in the problem mean? How are the numbers or quantities related? And how can I represent a word problem using pictures, numbers, or equations? So we can say that it's 8. Let's just say 8 by 1. Okay. So the math book has a width about 8 inches and it has a height of 1 inch. So it has a perimeter of 18 inches. And I am going to need to add an extra 6 inches for the buckle. So we're going to add 6. So that'll be 24 inches. Explain how to solve the problem using a different unit. Does the length you found need to change? So instead of finding the length inside of the book using inches, we could use centimeters. The length will be the same, but it'll just be different units. How can you use reasoning to solve problems? Anna is setting up 3 of these tables in a long row for a party. Each person sitting at a table needs a space that is 2 feet wide. How can Anna find out how many people can be seated at the tables and use reasoning to decide? What do I need to do to solve this problem? I need to use the information I know to find the number of people that can sit at 3 tables. You can draw a picture to help you with your reasoning. 4 times 2. How can I use reasoning to solve this problem? I can identify the quantities known, draw a picture to show relationships, give the answer using the correct unit. Here's my thinking. 1 person, 2 and 2. 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6. I know 6 people would be able to sit at one table. For 3 tables, the number of people at the end stays the same. There are 4 more people on each side, so I know 14 people can sit at 3 tables. Anna decides to turn the tables sideways. Now they are joined along the longer ends. How does this change the number of people who can be seated? So if we change them, okay, so now we have 2 people, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. We have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So only 10 people could be seated. Corinne has 3 rectangular tables with sides that are the same length. She wants to know how many people she can seat if she puts the tables together side to side in a row. Each person needs a space of 2 feet. How many people can be seated? Describe the quantities given. So each table is a triangle with a side of 4 feet. Triangle, 4 feet. Each person needs 2 feet of space. And she needs 3 tables. Solve the problem and explain your reasoning. You can use the picture to help. So we can have, there's 5 outside edges. 5 times 2 is 10, so we can have 10 people. Tito has 3 trapezoid blocks. He wants to find the perimeter of the blocks when he places them together side to side in a row. So here you want to describe the quantities just like we did up top, and then you want to solve a problem. On the back, the Cakery Bakery makes tiered wedding cakes in various shapes. Maria buys ribbon to donate to decorate 3 squares of a cake. The ribbon costs 50 cents a foot. So then you need to solve the remaining problems for that one. This is 16.6 reasoning.